feeling. In the last video, I showed you how to use this Snapin pipe to cut a hole that is 38 millimeter wide, and then you can just slap this in to create your tower garden, whether it's passive or active. If it's passive, you need to put some glue to avoid water leak. If it's active, there should not be water leak because the plant absorbs through the roots and there's no water spraying inside the tower. However, I find another issue because you see this is a 30-degree angle and this hole is not 30 degree. So it will be sometimes hard to get the roots of the plant to insert here because it's blocked by this lower part where there's no hole. So we can drill a hole using this drill bit that is just big enough, and then we apply some pressure here to avoid the snap-in getting out. Okay, so let's apply some pressure. Okay. After drilling, let me show you. The hole will be enlarged like this. So now you don't have the problem that the root is not getting in. Let me show you. Now you see the entire hole is drilled. Any roots can get in easily. Before drilling, it is like this. The lower part of the hole is not drilled, so the plant's root may be stuck here. But after drilling, it's all through now. It's very nice. And even if you don't use this Snap-in for your permanent setup, you can just print one to use as a tool, so you can drill the proper hole and then later on stick with a PVC pipe cut at the same angle. So after drilling all the holes, you see that the hole is now enlarged, and we can now click in this Snap-in plant insert pipe. Use the cotton like this. That will also work. That's all I want to show you. I'll keep updating how I did this vertical passive hydroponic towers in my next video. Thank you.